You can create an atmosphere of luxury and elegance by incorporating Kumiko woodwork into the interior design of hotels. Hotel Pulitzer Jiyugaoka, Tokyo. We installed Kumiko shoji screens on the windows in the lobby and guest rooms. The paper screens allow you to gently let natural sunlight into the space. We have a team of up to 20 Kumiko artisans, enabling us to handle large-scale hotel projects. Hotel Gajoen, Tokyo, in Meguro, Tokyo. This building is characterized by its long history and luxurious decorations. It features many old Kumiko fixtures, furniture, and crafts from nearly 100 years ago. Thus, we used 2,500-year-old Jindaisugi wood and other prized Japanese timber to blend with that nostalgic atmosphere. Intricate Kumiko patterns are also used. Hotel Nikko, Osaka. We delivered Kumiko transoms to the Japanese restaurant Benkei within the hotel. The Kumiko partitions, featuring vertical lattice and seigaiha, sea and waves patterns, serve as a screen, subtly maintaining guests' privacy. Hotel Rashiku Kanazawa in Kanazawa City. Blending harmoniously with the romantic cityscape of Kanazawa, the hotel features inviting spaces filled with the warmth of wood. By installing impressive original Kumiko designs in the lobby and guest rooms, we sought to enhance the hotel's brand image and provide guests with a memorable stay. Hotel Hankyu Respire, Osaka, opened in the center of Osaka's bustling Umeda district. As it is in Umeda, we designed Kumiko, incorporating the ume plum blossoms motif like the Oume Kiko pattern. Its sophisticated beauty captures the hearts of guests. Four Seasons Hotel Tokyo Otemachi, a 5-star hotel opened in 2020 in Otemachi, Tokyo. We delivered Kumiko partitions featuring the kakuasa and goma patterns in a checkerboard arrangement. The delicate texture of Kumiko blends seamlessly into the stylish modern space. Shangri-la Hotel Tokyo, located a 1-minute walk from Tokyo Station. We installed artistic Kumiko at the entrance to the first-floor hall. The Kumiko is designed with the motif of Mount Tai in Shandong Province, China, based on the theme of Shangri-La, Paradise on Earth. We put considerable thought into the combination of patterns to faithfully express the majestic rock formations and the misty, magical landscape of Mount Tai.